Hello traders, today Nifty moved higher after retesting the yesterday's closing price and it closed at the highest point of the day, and we planned this yesterday. If it opens gap up and after retesting the closing price, it is going to close at the highest point of the day, but the momentum is not that big. Even from this first 5 minutes breakout, the momentum is very slow and steady. Let's see the tomorrow's important levels and let's create our plan. Let's zoom out and see what happened today, and this is an important resistance zone we discussed yesterday. First 5 minutes candle opened above this level and closed inside this range, and after that it broke this range once again and it sustained above this range for a long time and it closed above this level. Now this resistance zone will act as a support level. If there is any pullback, it is going to take support from this level. If tomorrow there is a gap down, it is going to take support from this level, and let's mark the important levels for tomorrow. This is one of the important resistance levels, 24,480 zone, and another important support area is this point 24,380 zone, and another important support area is this closing price. This closing price, let's remove this, and this will act as support area. You can remember that. And one more support area is around this zone, and this is also one more important support zone. There is a quick bounce yesterday from this zone. If Nifty opens inside this range tomorrow and breaks this level on upper side 24,480 level, you can plan for a 1:2 target from your entry level to the SL point. 1:2 target, you can measure that in points and you can take that 1:2 target, and after opening inside this range, if it breaks this level, this low or this low, you can aim for this target. This is a clear target, and if it consolidates here and breaks down once again, you should watch this level. There is a bounce from this level, and if this level also breaks, you can aim for this target easily. These are the two levels, three important levels: first level and a second level and third level. If there is any flat opening, if it opens a gap up, and today's price action is a bullish move and it closed above previous resistance, so it is a bullish move. If there is any gap up and retest closing price, and if it breaks a high once again, you should be on the bullish trade for a bullish closing. It is going to close at the highest point of the day, same like today, or it can move slow and steady move, or it can make a fast move. We don't know, but that should be the plan. If there is any gap up and if there is any gap down below this level, wait for a retest, and if it breaks a low once again, you should be on the short trade with this point as a SL. You should measure this level, and this level should be 1 hour, and you can aim for 2 hour or 3 hour of the level. This is a 1 hour, 2 hour and a 3 hour. You can aim for 3 hour target or 2 hour target. How it's responding at those levels, you should see, and if you are in a decent profit, can exit the trade. That should be the simple plan if there is any gap up or gap down. And the market sentiment is bullish and the market is moving higher, you should look to buy every dip. If you know the trend reversals, then only you should take the short trade. If you don't know, you should plan to buy on every dip. Let's check the open interest. Today's option chain is interesting, and a lot of call sellers exited around this 24,300 and 24,200. Yesterday we have seen short straddles around these levels, 24,200 and 24,300. Those call sellers exited and created a new put OI around this point, and there is a put OI around 24,400, and option sellers created a 24,450 level and 24,500 short straddles, and the intraday PCR is 2.95, which is indicating a bullishness. Option sellers created a 2.64 crore quantity puts and 90 lakh quantity calls. Let's check the positional options data. Positional PCR is 1.28, which is a bullish sign. Option sellers created this 24,400 short straddles. That is what we are seeing here. Option sellers added put OI. Earlier there is a call OI, considering it as a resistance. Now there is a put OI. Option sellers created put OI, making it as a short straddles, and there is a support around 24,300, 24,200, and there is a resistance around 24,500 level, and after that major resistance is around 24,800. Based on this open interest and the price action, Nifty is bullish. If today's high breaks, we can see further up move, and if it opens gap up or Nifty breaks this level, you can see another bullish closing day. Until the trend changes, it is going to move in bullish direction. If you want to understand the price action, you can watch this video where I discussed about how to read the price action using charts without any indicators. Watch that video, you are going to learn a lot, and I published a video about indicators as well. Watch that video as well. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.